Hello my fellow riders and welcome back to Riding Reviews. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Yamasaki Ym50 Orange. So today I thought I might make a little bit of an effort and I got my snazzy onesie on. But yeah, we are going to be unboxing a Yamasaki Ym50 RE in orange. This will be the first of a 3-part series of unboxing, PDI and then a test ride. So let's get on. Most important part, coffee. Get your own merch from my merch store. Now this is the first stage of a 3-step process on how to get a bike ready for you. This is the unboxing section. The only thing that gets Loctited at this point is the handlebars. What happens now is it will go into the workshop and be fully PDI'd, and then after that we will do a test ride. So this is a 3-part series on how we get your motorcycle ready for you. So thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you found it entertaining, and hopefully you got a little bit more insight into what we do. Now this is a first in the 3-part series on how we get your bike ready for you. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you didn't, comment below and tell me how I can make my videos better in the future. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated to all of my latest content, and remember, I've got over 300 videos on motorcycle related topics, so have a look through them. There is going to be something on there for you. Remember to hit the join button if you want to support this channel, but as always, ride safe.